It has been called the heaviest skyscraper in New York City history. A massive diagrid structure of bronze and glass, designed to redefine the heart of Manhattan. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the new headquarters of JPMorgan Chase. Soaring to a height of 1,388 feet, that is 423 meters, this super tall is the latest masterstroke from Foster Plus Partners. Commissioned by JPMorgan Chase, it replaces their old headquarters with a vertically integrated city, designed not just to house bankers, but to dominate the skyline. But numbers alone don't tell the whole story. To truly grasp the magnitude of this new giant, we must measure it against the legends that define this city. Let's see where it stands among the titans. First, we must pay our respects to the king, the Empire State Building. Decades pass, skylines change, but this venerable giant holds its ground. Even next to modern supertalls, its mass and presence remain unmatched nearly a century later. Next, we have One World Trade Center. Officially, it stands as the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere at 1,776 feet. But let's be honest, that is largely thanks to its spire. If we look strictly at the roofline, the story changes completely. And finally, the ultimate comparison. On the left, Central Park Tower. I'm going to be direct here. For me, this is the real height champion of New York and the Americas. No spires, no tricks, just solid architecture rising to a staggering 1,550 feet. Notice how the new JPMorgan Tower, massive as it is, actually has to look up to greet its neighbor on 57th Street. But magnitude isn't just measured in steel, concrete, or height stats. It's measured in impact. And when the sun sets on Park Avenue, this building doesn't just fade into the dark, it begins to breathe. This isn't your standard architectural floodlight. This is a generative art installation designed by the renowned light artist Leo Villareal. Instead of a static display or a giant video screen, the facade acts as a digital canvas. The system uses thousands of programmable LED nodes integrated directly into the diagrid structure. It runs on real-time code, generating organic, non-repeating patterns inspired by nature. The flow of water, the drift of stars, and the energy of the city itself. It is not just an office tower. It is a digital campfire for Midtown Manhattan. And now, I'll leave you to enjoy this visual spectacle. If you appreciate the view, please consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the like button. Until next time.